Welcome to the prestigious neighborhood of Lake Morningstar, where you have your own private lake, tennis courts, and more. Hi, I'm Jackie Patterson with Excel Realty, and I thought to bring this property to market, we should do a quick game of hide and seek. Oh shoot, I guess I kind of forgot to mention, just vacant land. So let's play something a little bit more fun, which is make-believe of your dream home. Come with me. So imagine this as your dream lot in the prestigious Lake Morningstar, and you turn around and you open the door and you've got 12-foot ceilings, crown molding, beautiful open concept ranch. Off to the left is your own private primary oasis. You've got a massive bedroom at the back of the house, of course. You've got an ensuite with one of those massive soaker tubs, but something even more important, a shower with 2 shower heads so you never have to share water with your spouse. And then think of the amazing possibilities with the walk-in closet. You know, one of those completely unnecessary islands in it so you can put more items. That is just where dreams come true. And then as you leave your primary oasis, you're welcomed into a bright, open concept living and dining and kitchen with a massive island to seat all of those friends that you hope that you have one day, overlooking a natural gas fireplace, because yes, Lake Morningstar does have natural gas right at the road. And then you come over to the kitchen and you're preparing an amazing meal, and look, there's one of those pot fillers. That's like real luxury right there. You don't even need to bring the pot to the sink. And what's even better is the water is already brought from the beautiful lake of Lake Morningstar into this property, so you don't even need to worry about digging a well. And then you've got a massive 3, 4, 5 car garage, however many cars that you wish to accommodate, you can build on this lovely lot. And then out back, we often get deer here, I hear. And then you could also have one of those very bougie, expensive backyard kitchens with about 12 different types of barbecues, because, you know, mastering meat is difficult. And a few bedrooms for those kiddos that you'll one day have that'll absolutely terrorize the house and make it a mess. But this right here, guys, this is the dream. And this is the dream that I know you want. So give me a call today at 519-436-9030, and let's make those dreams a reality.